Hello. Um, what happens for living out of India for so many years? People feel like sometimes, what the hell? There's no pakodi, chai, samosa, dhaba. So I feel the same thing. But so what happens? I was feeling this thing last week as well, and I thought it will be a good idea that for the people who don't know how to make this simple thing, pakodi and chai, so just to let them know how to make pakodi, so I'm going to tell you how I do make, but there might be variations. So I will make aloo pakodi today, and I will have with tea. So it's better idea to have this apron first, so that you don't spoil your clothes. At the first, have some baby potatoes and cut them into small slices. Now my potatoes are ready. You see these small slices. It's important that you cut them like small slices, because it will be easier to cook them when you will put them into the oil. It doesn't matter how thick they are, but the thinnest they are, the better they will be. And I got my basin, this gram flour, and I have this chopped coriander and few green chilies and turmeric and some table salt with me. You can have some other spices as well, like coriander and garam masala, very little garam masala if you want. And if you want more hot, you can still have some red chili as well, but I'm not going to put red chili, otherwise it will be too hot for me. So what I'm going to do is have some basin in with the potatoes. It doesn't matter how much you make. The important thing is should be enough to cover the potato slices that you have put. That if you have less basin, then you can't cover them very good. So it's just a matter of habit and how you want them. There's no fixed amount how much you should mix with that. So I'm going to mix everything together now, and once the oil is ready, I will start putting these battered potatoes from here one by one into the oil, and I will cover every inch of this oil into this kadhai, and I will leave them there till they become quite brown red and crispy. So that's it, and I will have them with my tea, and you can try yours as well on your weekend. So see you next time. Bye.